Hi guys, so I've had a lot of people asking me how to get started with vibe coding. So let's just get right into it. The first and the best way to get started is to use GitHub Copilot because that already exists in your Visual Studio Code, which is the most widely used code editor. So it will be easier to, adopt that and integrate that into your workflow. So to use GitHub Copilot in your VS Code, you just have to install the extension. I already have it installed. And then once that is installed, the next thing that you have to do is just sign in, basically, to connect it with your GitHub Copilot account. And you're ready to go. Once you have GitHub Copilot, you can just start it and say, explain this to me. So that will explain your code to you if you don't understand something and you want clarification. You can also use it to debug your code. Let's say I have this error in my code and I have this red line showing me that there's something wrong. I can just do fix with GitHub Copilot and then it's going to fix the issue for me. I can click accept. So you can also use it for debugging much more complex situations than this one, for sure. One of the most popular use case for GitHub Copilot, and it's something that I use a lot in my workflow, is just using it to write tests for my code. So I can click on this and say add tests for my code and set them up, and then it will just set up. I actually like Playwright, but to keep things simple, I just use Just. Now you can just review the changes and then apply the changes and then get extension, install. So let's take a look at the test that it's added. It's added home.test.tsx. My name is Hannah Lomenyo. I'm a software engineer and I'll be sharing more AI content. So follow for more, like, comment, and share with friends and family.